Ayo, what's happening? It's your boy Julius Antikipe for the birds. You go and Janine. Okay, I'm gonna put it like this. Afethu scroll ijongo bafethu. Yeah, okay. Back at it. Make sure that you subscribe, like, and share before I even start reacting to umajongosi ethi dear Sokalamu hamsane nayo napho mfowethu umjolisi isilo sama 2K. Yeah, bafethu uthi dear Sokalami from i-EP yakhe I release I think this year ethi sekwanele umajongosi. Let's get right into it. I think this is the best song from the EP following Sita Sigababa, I think. So let's check it out. Umajongosi, why it doesn't play? Okay. Okamthuli akonkosi boy. Man, wait. Let's talk about oh dear Salam. Whoa, hayi bafowethu. Lo mfowethu lo izwi lakhe mfowethu angazi liyashintsha unezi yabo mayeza kwi-love song mfowethu liyashintsha izwi lakhe mayeseshintsha liyashintsha futhi mfowethu unethalente mfowethu ni-check i-EP yakhe njalo sekwanele iney'ngoma eziwu-4 nje kuphela lokhu uyidlala nje lokhu uyidlala ngeke ikubhore lokhu iphinda uyiphinda nje asiqhubeke bafowethu.
Salam, oh dear, muntu wami, oh dear, salam, oh dear, muntu wami. Senibhala lencwajana ngikukhumbule, senibhala lencwajana ngikukhumbule, senibhala lencwajana.
Okay, so basically it's the girl missing for my UK friend Jal. So the girl missing her husband, I think. Yeah, it makes sense like that to me. It's a girl missing her husband. Oh, a wife missing her husband. Yeah. So she's writing a letter. Saying, I miss you. Don't do that, bro. Buyani bafethu, like eGoli bafethu akusekho that far. Senaba ney'moto, so you can come back anytime from eGoli manje. It's unlike like those days ababehamba unyaka wonke beze bebuye ngoDisemba obaba bethu omkhulu bethu akusafani. Sungabuya nomnini eGoli engaze edlala omahlalelo ukhona. Awu hey
uzobuyela eGoli Salam, senaze ngalo omahlalelo
bakhona njalo futhi.
Salam, oh dear, muntu wami, salam, 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 muntu wami.
angazi angaba yini maqala lona uzwe kakhulu izwa lolo
Wangihlaba sokalami, bayangihlaba sokalami, bathakeka wami maqola
Jolisi oh
wangihlaba sokalami, bayangihlaba sokalami, bathakeka wami maqola
so like Jolisi is like saying like still carrying on the like I like Maskandi because when they feature each other, like they go with the flow, delivering same message. Not like, bro, win a song, but please, okay, cula ngothando. Siyajika la wena usufaka ama nigga, you don't fuck. Hayi bo, nigga, go with the flow, bro. Mina mengumnikazi wengoma ngaqamba ihloko ngathi hayi sihamba kanje. Nawe ngena phela lapha endabeni. Ungazongitshela ukuthi you the best. Ngikhuluma ngesithandwa sami, uzongitshela ukuthi you the best. Like nigga, I know. Okay, let's carry on. So like Mjolisi is practically saying like bayangihleka, they are laughing at me. They say I'm single but married, you know, because you don't come back anymore. So he still carries on the message of the song, you know. I think it's so cool. So bayangihleka. So it's carrying on with the song. So this is something.
Ngiyakuthanda so nomude ulezonda ngikhumbule ngiyakuthanda so nomude ulezonda ngikhumbule ngiyakuthanda
ubhale ukuthi Madongozi uzoyibona i-EP nasi isithombe la phezulu se-EP yakho uzobona nje ingoma ziwu-4 sekwanele isihloko se-EP ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe njalo sengishilo-ke we are yeah boom.